This is just a quick video, guys, about what happened in Paris. It's a complete tragedy what happened to Notre Dame. I've been shooting Notre Dame for 15 years. It's my favorite place to go to, and it really is bad. I'm happy they were able to save the tower, and a lot of people have been writing me, saying that they want to help. Well, I also want to help, so I had this idea. I created this page, the link is below this video, where you can actually donate to the official association that's going to take care of rebuilding Notre Dame. And if you send us a receipt that you actually did a donation, we will give you a special package that I created, including my lone exposure masterclass, my composition masterclass, and my cityscape masterclass. This is over 8 hours of training. All you have to do is give the money to the official association, send us a receipt, and we'll give you this course for free. If you don't want to do a donation, just at least like this video or comment it or share it. Just that can help. Anything you can do to help is great. Let's rebuild this church within 5 years. It's a jewel of Paris. It's a jewel of this planet. Let's have it reborn from its ashes and be more shiny than ever. Thank you so much for your help, and thank you for listening.